The world is burning, and the clock is screaming. Every outdated climate model, every slow prediction, every fragile forecast is a punch to the gut of our future. Founders, investors, leaders, you know this pain too well. Sitting on the edge, watching heat waves melt cities, floods drown farmlands, wildfires erase forests, all while the tools we rely on to predict and prepare are barely scratching the surface, stuck in ancient algorithms built for a different age. The frustration is deep, the gnawing fear real. How can we fight a crisis when the maps of tomorrow keep betraying us? This isn't just science failing, it's entire systems locking us into patterns of delay and denial. But here's the raw truth nobody screams loud enough. Artificial intelligence doesn't just have a seat at the table. It's the revolution waiting to explode. The kind of AI that rips through mountains of data every second, cramming satellite feeds, ocean currents, atmospheric chemistry into neural nets so deep, so relentless, that for the first time we can see the climate in motion, almost like it's whispering its secrets directly to us. This isn't fantasy. It's happening, and it will change everything, if, and only if, you grab it by the throat and drive it. Stop treating AI as some distant magic. The smart founders and investors know. This is the key to smashing outdated climate models that stumble over complexity, that choke on chaos. You don't have to wait years for universities or governments to catch up. Look into deploying AI frameworks that use reinforcement learning to simulate extreme weather scenarios faster than traditional physics. That's right. Teach AI to play the climate like a game. Find patterns humans missed. Anticipate tipping points no one even dreamed existed. Anger at slow progress. Channel it. Demand immediate action on integrating these AI-powered simulators into your portfolio, your startup, your next investment round. Forget the noise about trusting models. This is about building models that learn and evolve with the data, models that adapt in real time as climate shifts accelerate. You want precision? Deliver it with generative adversarial networks, refining visualizations of hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, slicing uncertainty margins to nearly zero. This means early warnings that don't just delay disaster, but prevent it by influencing policy and funding ahead of the chaos. Imagine the edge you'll hold when your AI-driven climate insights become the ultimate currency for governments and corporations scrambling to survive. And here's the brutal scoop on what you must do next. Cut through the hype, the smoke, the cowardice. First, stop funding incremental improvements. Chase exponential leaps. Build or back multidisciplinary teams where climate scientists, data engineers, and hardcore AI specialists collaborate relentlessly, relishing brutal feedback loops. Second, deploy edge computing and decentralized AI to harvest real-time environmental data globally, in the cities, forests, oceans, wherever the crisis is alive and screaming. Third, demand transparency and open benchmarks that expose the real-world performance of these AI models. No more black boxes, no more fragile assumptions, only relentless truth, shaped by continual iteration. The stakes? Nothing less than the survival and freedom of millions. AI can elevate climate modeling from guesswork to a dynamic oracle, but this will only happen when minds like yours refuse to settle. When you connect fiercely, synergize across borders, break down silos, and fight for this future with brutal clarity and ruthless speed. This is your call to revolutionize. Not just invest, not just observe, but ignite a system that zeroes in on reality as it actually unfolds. In 5 years, AI won't just assist climate modeling, it will transform it. The question is, will you lead that charge, owning your role in this fight, or wait as the world burns a little more each day? The tools exist. The potential explodes in every algorithm and data point. Your move must be aggressive, decisive, uncompromising. Get into AI-powered climate modeling now. Build the autonomous yet interconnected networks of brilliance that will force transparency, accuracy, and real-world impact. Harness AI to not only predict disasters, but reshape humanity's path beyond them. The future isn't waiting. It never was. This is your moment to tear down illusions, smash outdated rules, and unlock a climate vision powered by relentless intelligence. Lock yourself and your capital into breaking the mold, because only the few who dare to act now will rewrite what's possible and save everything worth saving.